Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is lamb keema with potatoes. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. I do hope you're all staying safe in these trying times. First we heat some oil in the pan, and when it's nice and hot, add the cumin seeds, mustard seeds, fennel seeds, chillie, cardamom and cloves to the hot oil and fry off for 2 minutes. After these spices are fried off for 2-3 minutes, it's time to add the onions. Continue to fry off the onions until they start to take on some colour. And when the onions have reached that stage, it's time to add the garlic, ginger and green chillies. When the garlic, ginger and chilli are all amalgamated into the mixture, it's time to add the mince. I'm using frozen lamb mince here. Normally I use fresh, but due to the lockdown it was a bit hard to get, so you got to use what you got. Anyway, continue frying the mince until it starts to take on some colour, and it's time to add the salt to taste. And then the 2 teaspoons of curry powder and mix in. Next we add the potato. Now it must be said, I thought the cubes were a bit large. I prefer mine cut a bit smaller for this recipe. But when I pointed this out to the wife, she pointed out that I'd be wearing the keema and not tasting it if I didn't shut up. So, cut the potatoes any size you want. Anyway, when the potatoes are all mixed through, add a splash of water, put a lid on the pan and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes are up, it's time to add the peas. Don't ask me where that pan of red cabbage came from, it's one of life's mysteries. After you've added the peas, it's back on with the lid and continue to simmer until the potatoes are cooked through. Then simply serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Stay safe and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now. And I don't care what the wife says, them potato chunks are too big.